Faceless YouTube is saturated. That's what most people believe right now, and honestly, it's wrong. What's actually saturated is low effort content. If you're just starting, you've probably hit this wall. You post videos, follow tutorials, use AI, and still get no views. It's frustrating, I know. But the problem isn't that Faceless YouTube is too competitive. The problem is most beginners pick the wrong niches or execute them badly. They either choose niches that don't get views or copy others without adding anything new, so they stay stuck. In this video, I'm not just listing random niches, I'm breaking down 10 faceless YouTube niches that are actually working right now, with real examples, real numbers, and most importantly, how to make them stand out so you don't get ignored like everyone else. So if you're tired of posting and getting no results, pay attention. My name is Charles, let's dive in. Number 1. Money talk niche. This niche works because people are naturally curious about money, luxury, or status. Now, this channel has uploaded only 10 videos, yet it has already gained around 42.3 million views and about 251k subscribers, and is also estimated to generate between $4,000 and $12,000 in ad revenue. That level of growth with such a small number of uploads show how powerful this format can be when executed properly. This is a similar channel and has pulled in around 37k subscribers and over 1 million views. Now, this shows that this format has serious potential if done right. In general, people are interested in 3 core things: money, relationship, and health. This type of content taps directly into those interests, which is why it performs well. An extra idea is you can even focus on tier list, where you have top 20 richest men in 2026, or even richest men in Africa, richest men in America, richest woman in the world, and stuff like that. For research, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Google, but the better option is to use the deep research tool in ChatGPT to gather more structured insights. You can also use Keoo AI to generate the visuals to support your content. Here's a pro tip. Your thumbnail must spark instant curiosity, and make sure your video really delivers on the thumbnail promise, because curiosity may get the click, but trust is what keeps people watching your future videos. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. There are a lot of helpful videos here, so subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Number 2, relationship advice. This niche works because it connects directly with emotions, and emotional content keeps people watching. It also taps into one of the 3 core things people care about: relationship. This channel here has gained around 4.5 million views and could be making over $5,000 in ad revenue. On top of that, the channel also links to an ebook, which means is making money beyond ads too. The script is the main driver of this type of content, and ChatGPT can help you generate ideas quickly. However, don't just copy and paste. Add your own input. Add a story. You can even include character dialogue while delivering advice through storytelling. This helps you create a unique format that stands out from everyone else. One interesting branding approach is keeping visuals simple and consistent. For example, this channel uses a black background with yellow text. It is clean and instantly recognizable. You can take this idea further by creating your own visual identity. Use different colors, fonts, or even realistic AI-generated thumbnails. The key is consistency, so viewers recognize your content immediately. Now, for visuals, you can use AI-generated videos, or take it a step further by applying a consistent color grade across all your content. This builds a strong professional look and makes your video feel cohesive. For this niche and others that I'll mention, you can use Higgsfield to create your visuals. In fact, Higgsfield recently launched Cinema Studio 2.5, which simplifies cinematic video creation and makes the whole process more structured. It allows you to create consistent characters and scenes so your content feels cohesive from start to finish. To use Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.5, start by clicking on Characters and Locations, select your genre, movie budget, era, archetype, identity, physical appearance, and outfit. If you want something quick, you can just simply click randomize to generate a character automatically. Once done, generate your character. And next is switch to location, describe the environment you want, then generate. Now this sets the foundation for your scene. After that, we'll move to scene, describe what's happening, then select your character and location and generate. Now you have a complete scene ready. From there, you can now switch to video, upload your character and location, then choose whether you want a single shot or multi-shot. Select your camera movement, set the speed ramp, choose the duration, and upload your first frame. Enter your prompt and hit generate. And just like that, you have a cinematic video. There is also a built-in color grading suite to shape the final look of your video, giving it a more polished and professional feel. With Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.5, you can create short films, brand commercials, music videos, social content, and even film pre-visualizations. I'll leave the link to Higgsfield in the description of this video. Number 3, image to video storytelling. This niche uses AI tools to turn old photos into moving video clips, and it works especially well in history and nostalgia content. This channel has gained around 9.6 million views and could be making close to $4,000 in ad revenue. The content focuses on historical events and war photos, showing old moments in a new way. People find it interesting. I find it interesting because it feels both educational and emotional. The good thing about this niche is that you can make it with free or low-cost AI tools. You also don't want to limit yourself to history. You can take famous meme images and turn them into funny AI-generated video compilations. That angle can help you stand out and attract a different audience. You can even use ChatGPT to generate humorous captions or commentary around those memes. To stay safe, always include a disclaimer in your video or description stating that the content was created using AI tools. This keeps your content transparent and helps build trust with your audience. Number 4, entertaining AI interaction. This niche is built around asking AI funny, weird, or unexpected questions and turning the answers into content. It's simple but highly effective. This channel here has gained around 3.7 million views with just 18 videos, which already shows how much potential this idea has. There's also this channel which is similar and they are getting results as well. The format is simple. Ask ChatGPT strange questions, record the answers, add sound effects, and upload. The simplicity makes it easy to produce consistently without needing complex editing. And you don't have to rely on just one AI tool. While ChatGPT is a strong option, you can also use tools like Gemini and Grok AI. This allows you to compare responses or create content around different AI personalities, which adds variety and keeps your videos fresh. You can frame the video around one strong curiosity-based question so the viewer immediately wants to know the answer. You can also create a playful back and forth between you and the AI, which makes the content more entertaining and more shareable. Number 5, data comparison and ranking. This is one of the biggest opportunities in faceless content because the format is simple but the scale is huge. This channel here has gained around 178 million views with just 14 videos, and since many of the videos are only 2 to 3 minutes long, the ad revenue could be over $20,000. The concept is simple: show interesting data using animated photos, charts, or rankings. The editing is also relatively simple, which makes it easy to produce consistently without heavy production efforts. What makes this niche even better is its flexibility. It works across a wide range of topics. You can study similar channels for ideas and then adapt them. For example, instead of creating a video titled Top Richest People in Italy 2026 like this, you can just create versions like Richest People in America 2026, Richest People in Spain, Richest People in Africa, and stuff like that. This is exactly the kind of thinking that works. Study the most popular uploads on data channels because those videos can give you endless topic ideas. Number 6, viral meme storytelling. This niche is built around meme screenshots, funny comments, and viral online reactions. But the real opportunity is not just posting screenshots, it's in turning them into entertaining stories. This channel has already gained over 96 million views and the ad revenue could be around $100,000. The channel uses compilation style content made from funny memes and comment screenshots, but what makes it work is the added value, the voiceovers, the sound effects, transitions, and creative editing that make the content feel original. This other channel is doing something similar, but takes it a step further by blending meme with trending topics. This keeps the content fresh and increases the chances of going viral because it taps into what people are already talking about. Here's a pro tip: don't just show the meme, build a story around it, add context, exaggerate reactions, or create a narrative that connects multiple clips. That storytelling layer is what separates average content from viral content. Number 7, modern psychology, philosophy, and life insight. This niche attracts a thoughtful audience and often gets a better RPM because it's educational and longer form. This channel started just 4 months ago, yet it already has around 235,000 subscribers and about 17 million views. It's already estimated to have around $50,000 in ad revenue in that short time. That shows how powerful this niche can be when executed well. The videos mostly use AI cartoon images, voiceover, and captions, which keeps production simple. There are also similar channels succeeding with this format, which confirms the demand. You can create content around famous philosophers, psychologists, human behavior, life advice, relationship dynamics, or even religion. However, you need to keep your content safe and balanced. Avoid anything that promotes hate or attacks any belief. Here's a pro tip. Create a recurring AI host or character voice that adds branding and personality to your channel without making production more complex. Also, add your own interpretation and perspective. Don't sound like a textbook. That human touch is what builds trust and keeps people coming back. Number 8, AI-generated survivor video. This niche is fully AI-driven and gives creators a way to make cinematic content without filming. This channel here has gained over 18 million views with just 21 videos and could be making around $15,000 in ad revenue. The process is straightforward. You can use ChatGPT to create survivor stories, generate scene prompts, and then use AI videos like Keoo AI to turn those prompts into short clips. After that, you merge the clips into one complete video. The main challenge in this niche is the cost or credit limits of AI video tools, which can slow down production if you're trying to scale quickly. So you need to plan your scenes carefully and avoid wasting credits. Also, remember, you're not just generating random AI clips and putting them together. You're telling a story. Think of each video like a movie trailer. Every scene should build tension and make the next scene feel necessary. That storytelling approach is what keeps viewers watching until the end. Number 9, economic documentaries. This niche targets a more mature audience, which often means higher buying power and in turn a higher RPM on your videos. The content focuses on story-based explanations of how money, markets, and power actually move. It breaks down complex topics like global policies and finance into simple, engaging videos that anyone can understand. This channel here has gained over 50 million views with estimated ad revenue exceeding $30,000. Like any other format, this can be AI-driven fully. You can use AI tools to generate scripts, visuals, and voiceovers. But unlike simpler niches, this one requires deeper research. You need to stay updated on global events, financial trends, and economic shifts. That's how you find relevant topics and create content while interest is still high. Timing matters here. If you tap into trending economic discussions early, your videos will have a much chance of performing well. The key is to simplify complex ideas without losing accuracy, making it easy to understand but still informative. That balance is what builds authority and keeps the viewers coming back. Number 10, history documentaries. This niche focuses on storytelling around events from the past. It's evergreen content, which means your videos can stay relevant for years because history doesn't change. This channel here has gained over 28 million views with just 11 videos, with estimated ad revenue around $15,000. That shows the potential. This type of content is highly bingeable and even addictive. Viewers can often move from one video to another, which increases watch time and overall channel growth. It works because it balances education and entertainment. You can use tools like Keoo AI to create visuals and voiceovers, making the production process simple and efficient. These niches allow you to create faceless videos that still deliver real value, even with minimal effort. The key is not just producing content, but making sure that each video offers something useful, engaging, or entertaining to the viewer. If you want direct training from me on how to start and grow your faceless channel, join Branions AI Creative Network. That's my private community. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. If you haven't subscribed, you're missing out on a lot. So subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you here. Watch this video next.